Hi.
If there is an emergency of any kind, you wish to stop the train, raise a hand, conductor will stop it.
Getting a shot of the engine here. Here.
Hi. This is for you, Tia.
Whoop, I don't want him to think I raised my hand and stopped the train.
Why?
That's how you stop the train, if you raise your hand if you have an emergency.
Is there an emergency?
No, I was raising my hand to take the video, and I didn't want him to think I was calling an emergency. Please, over here. Oh, we're gonna go through the tunnel. Give me a quick look, Trev. There's another one. Through the tunnel. Oh.
Can you see?
I can see you. Another one. So we always remember it's November the 5th, 2011. Past another train. They have a lot of trains, don't they?
They sure do. This one can't carry a thing. Well, it carries real rocks and stuff around.
So that's a long train. Actually, it's a pretty smooth ride.
Look at that one. Now that's a mini guy. I'll call him Mr. Mini. Or Mr. Miniature. No, that actually makes my voice sound.
Huh?
Nothing. Nothing.
Alright, I think I'm going to turn this off now.
Dunk it in. We're going on.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Turn it off now.